Well, hey, didn't see you there. Pleasure to meet you. I'm Frankie, but that probably doesn't mean much to you. Here, have a seat and let me start again. I'm Frankie. F, friendly. I'm outgoing, always looking to meet new people, develop new connections, and make sure everyone feels welcome in a room. R, resilient. Setbacks only push me to work harder. A, accountable. I honor my commitments and accept responsibility when things don't go as planned. N, nature lover. I'm passionate about the natural world and respect its inherent beauty and vulnerability. K, keen and eager to learn. I'm always looking to dig a little deeper, focusing on the process as well as the outcome. I, integrity. I stand by my values even when they're challenged. E, empathetic. I'm sensitive to how my actions may affect others and work hard to understand the emotions of others. So that's me, Frankie. Now tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm Sydney Jones and I'm a creative problem solver at my core. I studied a Bachelor of Science with a major in Human Nutrition at St. FX University, and I'm currently studying my MBA at Dalhousie University. I thrive when working in diverse teams because I'm able to employ my social intelligence and my natural communication skills. I grew up playing competitive sports where I developed my work ethic and my leadership abilities. I'm a lifelong learner and I'm always striving to become the best version of myself. I always bring a positive attitude and a wealth of energy, especially when working on something that I'm passionate about. I'm looking forward to seeing if we're the right fit.
Hi, my name is Brett Stairs. I'm coming to you from Fredericton, New Brunswick. I have an honors in biology and I'm currently a candidate for the 2022 Corporate Residency MBA. I had experience running up to 6 programs at a time in therapy sessions with autistic children. This has ingrained in me a strong ability to multitask and have lots of patience. My experience with hockey, golf, and raising a brand new puppy had equipped me to take on all tasks. My analytics, perseverance, and adaptability allow me to take on anything you throw my way. I strive to lead, learn, and move up the ladder. If you're looking for someone to critically think, provide new ideas, and help your company grow, I am your guy. My willingness to learn drives me to reach for the top. The only risk you have of choosing me is I'm gonna work harder than you, so you'll have to compete. If you're looking for someone to go the extra mile for your company and help it grow, I, Brett Stairs, am the guy for you.
Hello, my name is Alexandre Sad. I have a background in medical sciences and I'm currently enrolled in Dalhousie's Corporate Residency MBA program. I'm a critical thinker, problem solver, and a compassionate individual who is dedicated to help people reach their full potential. Having lived in 3 countries, I can speak 3 languages, which has allowed me to interact and understand the needs of people from various backgrounds. From starting a tutoring company to solving the Rubik's Cube, I have a wide range of interests and goals. Persevering at heart, I will work to exceed expectations and inspire others. So if you are only looking for somebody to get the job done, then I may not be the best fit for you. However, if you're looking for someone who enjoys challenges and daily routines, but can be flexible with their time, or a friend who you can count on at work or outside work, then I am the right person for you.
Hi there, you know those problems your organization just can't seem to solve? Well, I'm here to bring a fresh, new perspective. My name's Brenner Strickland, and I'm an extremely hard worker and natural leader. My active involvement in business studies, extracurriculars, and sports have given me the skills needed to succeed in any environment. I am an excellent motivator and powerful persuader who is ambitious, purposeful, and achievement-oriented. My past work experience at Pomerleau has taught me to make difficult decisions and produce work with minimal errors in time-sensitive and stressful situations. I excel in environments that are competitive and fast-paced and where I can take the lead. I am always ready to challenge the status quo. Let's jump right in.